Hi, I'm Chelly Wood. You might know me from chellywood.com. Welcome to my tiny sewing room. I'm best known for my doll clothes sewing videos, but today we're going to make something a little different. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a reversible cover for a Lazy Susan. I bought this beautiful Lazy Susan on Etsy from Blubird Haven gift shop, and it's well made. I've added a link to their shop in the description in case you want to buy one for yourself or as a gift. It makes a great gift. Before we begin, please go to my website, chellywood.com, to download the free PDF sewing pattern that's found in the links below this video. I actually used my Barbie poodle skirt pattern, which I haven't officially published yet, but I added 2 inches or approximately 6 centimeters all the way around so it would fit a Lazy Susan that's 10.5 inches in diameter. Begin by laying one circle on top of another, keeping your right sides together. Sew them together around the outside edge. Leave an opening about 3 inches wide on one side of the circle. Clip and invert the Lazy Susan cover. Sew another almost complete circle 2 centimeters from the inverted outer seam, which is about 1.5 inches. But maintain the opening that you used in order to invert it. Around the widest circumference of your Lazy Susan, measure and cut a piece of elastic to fit snugly. Insert a safety pin at one end of your elastic. By the way, I'm using a 1/4 inch wide elastic for this particular project. Now, where you've left an opening in your circle of fabric, slide the safety pin into the 2 centimeter wide casing that you've created. You should also safety pin the elastic's other end to the opening area. Then push your safety pin all the way through the casing to the other side of the circle. Sew the 2 ends of the elastic together. Fold the opening inside itself. Whip stitch to close off the opening. Where the 2 centimeters wide casing stitch was, stitch to close off that opening. Now your lining should look something like this, like a shower cap. My Lazy Susan cover is made of cotton, so I placed a piece of plastic inside the Lazy Susan to protect from spilled olive oil and things like that. Wrap the elastic edge of your cover all the way around the Lazy Susan. I just love my Lazy Susan. I use it all the time. Place condiments, spices, or other kitchen items in the center of the Lazy Susan. And it's reversible too. For more free printable PDF sewing patterns, for making craft projects kind of like this one, and for lots of free doll clothes sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please visit my website, chellywood.com. If, like me, you happen to have an ugly childhood fairy who tends to inspire your arts and crafts, then you may benefit from my Life Balance to-do list. It helps you plan not just your arts and crafts, but it helps you organize your family chores while also rewarding yourself from time to time. Now, if that seems tricky, it also comes with an idea generator to help you fill in the blanks with helpful goals. You can fill it out digitally or you can print it and fill it out by hand. There's a link to this product in the description.